put a smile on somebody's face. Try to make this world a better place.
I have absolutely no idea how old this battery charger is, but my gosh, works like a champ. I'm going to say when you look for the battery charger to use this with, you want one that does not have any safeties on it. And obviously the mix right here that I'm using, not for people use, metal only. This is salt and vinegar, and I have no idea what the recipe is. I mixed it together, and there's a million different recipes you can find. It's literally salt, like table salt, and just household vinegar, and it works really well. This right here is a sharps container. I took the copper and bent it. Ideally, what you want to do is make the same kind of cage that I did, but go all the way around the bucket, and you put the negative on the cage, and you put the positive on the axe or whatever it is that you're etching. And due to the electrolysis, it draws the metal away from the positive thing and deposits it on the copper. The reason I chose copper is because it's a very good conductor of electricity, and also if you're doing any copper plating, you can reverse that. And I don't know, I'm not a chemist, I couldn't get it to work right with the copper plating, so good luck. If anyone has any pointers, by all means please tell me. Pointing at where I have the copper attached to the blade there, do not do that. It didn't work. I hot glued it to the metal and it messed up, and it etched the part of the blade out there, and the only way to repair it would have been to re-weld it and fill in the hole. And so just, I would say, put it inside where the blade goes onto the wooden handle. Notice the big black square on the right hand side between the Viking sailing ship and the crow, or the raven. That's what happens when you do it wrong like I did, and try to hot glue the copper just to the side of the blade. That's why I said don't do it, because it really messed it up. And I've just got this in acetone. It's literally nail polish remover, so you can get down with that. It'll remove the alkyd paint, which is just the Rust-Oleum. I got tired of rubbing with my finger because it wasn't working where the copper was, and had to use a toothbrush. It still didn't work very well. Right here I am rubbing oil paint, like actual oil paint you get from Hobby Lobby or something, because the gun blowing just did not do the job. This is a 4,000 grit polishing cloth you can get at any auto body shop. Oh my goodness, you can see your reflection in it like a mirror perfectly. It's amazing.